My brother's fucking Lancer. Shitty ass LKQ motor. Low compression. To see we do the rings. We did the head already. There's videos on that shit. Let's pull this bitch out. Okay. Disassembling the block now. The rod bearings do not look bad at all. All the rod journals look pretty good. All the bearings are good. I think the piston rings might be fucked. Not too sure. The video right here, but yeah, we took it all apart. About to do the dingleberry in it. All the rod bearings, all the fucking cranks bearings are good. So let's hope